We are finally in 2025 and things have really started to heat up. So I was facing this problem of how to really get things going because I've built a 0 to 1 startup before. I've been part of that early stage team. I've seen when you've got no clients and you really grow from there, get clients and serve them and solve the problems. So I knew for the fact that if I were to do this again, I cannot do it alone. I can't be a one-man army, right? I had to essentially solve two major problems. One is to really figure out what kind of problem statements I want to solve. Second is to really get together a team that can really solve it. How I'm really going about this? In the first problem statement, what I really did was I spent about 6 to 7 months just trying out different things so that I get a hang of things that I like. I posted on LinkedIn regularly, I posted on Twitter regularly, posted on threads regularly. I started writing a newsletter, I started creating videos. I did like a 30 days, 30 Instagram challenge as well, just to have insight on what kind of things I am kind of loving, how things are done, right? What problem statements am I finding? Like those mini insights that you want to gather while you're experimenting on the go, right? And after speaking to multiple folks as well, I kind of got to know that people are going towards video based kind of content, and of course the data also speaks that. And after really doing all this for 6 to 7 months, I doubled down on, what, I'm just going to create videos, and I'm going to create videos in my style, in the style that I really love, right? I like watching content like walk style or Cleo Abraham style kind of content, which is very informative, that could probably essentially work around with content the brands might want, right? Probably my ICP is brands, not maybe a small personal branding kind of creators who want to build their personal brands, right? So anyway, the point being, I really doubled down, spending some time on the kind of problem statement I kind of like, and I found out I love creating videos. I found out I want to be around videos and want to be like a creator in nature, right? So probably when I say videos, it essentially doesn't mean I'm using tools like Premium Pro. I'm thinking, okay, can I create really good content by using Unreal Engine as well, and how can I use AI to really make kick-ass content? Second thing was to really double down on how do I form a team around that. So I met this person about 6 to 7 months back, probably more maybe, and we hit off really well. We started working on a few projects and we started forming like a team, and we started talking, okay, what, how can we go about certain things, how can we go about XYZ stuff in content, right? And we vibed a lot because I think two essential reasons. One, we both are workaholics, right? We both love to work. Second, we both are creators. We're not hardcore business people that are like, okay, you want to get sales in, and how many clients are we getting, how are we serving? No, we are creator first. We think in that approach. I think it's just a mindset, and then think about, okay, how do we develop this business moving forward? So what essentially we did was, my friend, who is more of like creator director kind of a person, he's really handling that creator director kind of side, where he would be building the editing team. He would be handling the direction of how a video needs to be produced, how it look in post-production side of things when it goes onto YouTube or Instagram, how things are going to look. I would become like a growth guy because I've mostly been a growth guy in life, thinking on where the business trajectory could go, right? Basically being the front of the face, how the future would look like, where the pivots do we need to make, doing client management and also creating videos, right? For example, I'm actually growing my YouTube channel from scratch, although I could have editors on board and probably create something out for me as well. But for me, it's really important to learn the nuances of a business, nuances of being a creator and doing it by myself. I've learned tools before. I know how to use Premium Pro. I know how to use Final Cut or DaVinci. But I want to excel in really good storytelling. That's where there's a difference between normal video editor and a really good quality video editor who can think creatively. So after doubling down on this, what I really did was, okay, I know the problem statement. I know team formation. Now we're really thinking on, okay, let's just get a few clients in, 1 or 2 good clients, work for them. Let's not run behind a lot of money. Let's not have targets that are bullish like 10 lakhs a month or something of that sort. Let's go step by step, start creating systems around things so that we can really scale fast. And yeah, that's it. That's the 2025 goal. We've got, obviously, the first quarter goal that we have is get 1 or 2 clients in, serve them really well, and build a system around after learning how we can really execute on the plans. And probably by the end of 2025, we really want to grow. I really want to grow with the team, want to solve solve good problem statements and really help other people grow as well. So yeah, see you next time.